Hi, welcome along to Barbecue Life UK. My name's Tom. Today we're cooking grilled veg. So we've got a medley of different veg that you can cook all together. But like I'm having tonight, I'm having that and a flatbread as my dinner. Or you can have this as a side alongside your meat as the star of the show. So let's show you what veg we're cooking.
So our veg today, we have got some asparagus, some flat mushrooms, red pepper that I've cut into eighths, petals of red onion, some courgette that I've cut nice and thin, and sweet corn. Onto that courgette, I've got a nice little marinade of lemon juice, olive oil, salt, pepper and basil, and we're just going to brush that on. And then onto the mushrooms, I've got a nice meaty paste. This has got lots of herbs and spices in there and some tomato paste and oil. I will leave the recipe for that in the description. Onto the onions and peppers, we're going to use the Rusty Barbecue Company's cattle dust. This is really going to help intensify the flavours of them vegetables. So we've had the corn on the grill while it's been coming up to temperature, just coming up nice steaming in there. Move it into a more prominent position on the grill, and then we're going on with our mushrooms. So these have just been lightly oiled. Then on with our red peppers. And then on with the red onion, again all been lightly oiled. Then we're going to get our paste onto our mushrooms, make sure we're getting it right in there into all the flutes. This is really going to intensify the flavour of these mushrooms and make them nice and meaty. Now we've had about 3 minutes, so we're going to start to flip. Got some nice char marks coming up on some of these vegetables. The mushrooms turned over as well, they're starting to sweat down. Then we're going to get our spices onto the veg and get the rest of our paste put on the mushrooms. Next we're going on with our asparagus. This isn't going to take very long at all, probably about 4 to 5 minutes. Now we've got that corn unwrapped, we need to get it into the centre of the grill to get our nice char marks on there. And give the asparagus a bit of a turn. They're starting to char up nicely. The mushrooms are now ready, as are the peppers. The onions are already off, they were ready before. So now we're going on with our courgette. So I've already put the oil on one side, and that's the side we're going down first, and then you want to get your oil mixture painted on the other side ready for flipping. So the asparagus has had a total of 5 minutes, time to get that off, and the corn's all charred all the way around, so we're going to get that off as well. So we give the courgette a flip. These have had about 2 minutes on that side, flip them over, 2 minutes on the other side. It's time to take them off. So we've got a nice plate of nice vibrant colours.
I was going to do a pretty quick ending because this is my dinner and everybody else has started without me. So I'll just give it a taste. As you guessed it, beautifully sweet the way they always are. That cattle dust works really well on veg. Let's have a munch of the asparagus. If you've never grilled asparagus, it takes a wonderful nutty flavour when you give it a bit of char. Courgette, a big piece. Get a burst of citrus from that lemon juice. And the savouriness of the basil works really well. And lastly, the meaty mushrooms. Absolutely gorgeous. If you like mushrooms, definitely give that a go. Clean my fingers. So if you like what we're doing here at Barbecue Life UK, then please do subscribe to their channel, like the video, leave us a comment underneath, let us know what you think, and thank you very much for watching.